Alright, what's up guys? We're actually walking on feet right now. Just dropped the Mustang off at that building across the street. See what we can get for a drink. Mustang's at emissions right now. People were looking at me like I had 5 heads when I was vlogging out there, so waited till I got inside, but just trying to get emissions done on the Mustang. Decided to walk across the street, see what we got to drink, because there's like a 20-minute wait.
Welcome. If you have your extra care.
They got crazy doors. Look at this. Crazy looking. Alright, so got the watermelon Arizona. So they don't give a if people look at me crazy. Mustang is right across the street. I'm getting emissions done right now too. I just got a letter in the mail, it's due, but I'm doing it anyways because I'm going Catless. I'm doing an X pipe with the cat deletes, getting rid of the H pipe, replacing it for an X pipe. It sounds good right now, but I want it to be a little bit louder, and I know it adds a decent amount of power. Hopefully I don't get hit by this bus. Yeah, the Mustang is right here. I'm going in for emission soon. The guy just stalled it, taking it right in front of me. Just got the car back. Looks like we passed. Got the paperwork and everything, we passed, so that's all good. So gonna head home now, and yeah, thankfully now we can take the cats out of this thing. All right guys, so another thing I wanted to talk about is uploading on the channel and stuff. I know I haven't been onto it really that great, and I'm sorry about that. I know I've been slacking, but honestly there just hasn't been that much like content going on. Oh shit, damn. All right, what's going on guys? It's the next day. As you can tell, my Y pipe or H pipe, whatever it's called, is half disconnected. I got the rear off. Everything on this thing has been glued together. Like, the car's not really rusty at all. Like, it's pretty clean under here, but the exhaust is toast. So snapped one of the studs off the headers. I got I got 2 of the nuts off. So I just need, actually one snap, got 1 nut off. So I need to get the 2 inner off the headers, and then it's good to come out. The O2s gave me even trouble. Those I blasted everything with PB2, let it sit overnight. I did it yesterday, sprayed a bunch throughout the day, and kind of just need to get those 2 header ones. That's pretty much it. I'm just waiting to see if I can get like a bunch of extensions and make like a long thing, because if you look, I probably look shot too. I'm covered in oil and stuff, but you can't even see, but they're like right down there. It's way up and it's a mess to get to, but figured why not start it, open whatever this is. Actually, there's no O2s in the cat, so it's gonna be really loud, but let's see how it sounds real quick. Sounds like shit, because there's no O2s in the cat, so there's a big leak. Alright guys, so little update right now. As you can tell, this cat is cut out. I'm actually stealing my own cats, so this is pretty much how to steal your cats. Psych. This is this job is fucking terrible. I would be surprised if he was able to do this quick and easy, especially when the car isn't like jacked up or anything, because you gotta fit the blade way up under all this stuff, which is crazy. So this one I got done. This one, there's literally that little thing that's stopping it. The battery died yesterday, so that's why it's day 2. Once that's cut, the Y pipe, H pipe, whatever these Mustangs call it, it's totally detached. Besides that, as you can tell, just that one piece. And my new X pipe will be here any minute, so gonna finish cutting this, drop this thing down, and then get ready for the new one to go right in. All right, so just got here, took out a box. It's a little interesting here. So I know these obviously hold these two together because these are 3 separate pieces, the X pipe and then the 2 Catless. There's only one spot for an O2, and that is the upstream. That's like the main O2. But then there should be one on each side for where the cats would go, like right here and right here. And there's nothing there, so don't know if they want me to like put in my own bungs or what, but that kind of sucks. All right, man, I've been getting my ass kicked by this thing, but it's pretty much all done. I'm just gonna check for leaks now, but I don't have the secondary O2s in. I'm gonna have to make bungs and cut a hole and put bungs in and have my friend weld them in or something, but that's easy. It's like I could do them like right there, right in the open, so it's not like it'll be hard to put those in. But yep, it was a bitch, definitely a bitch. So I guess we'll just see if it leaks now. Just had to get some blades for my brother. Well, I got them for him because I used some of his, so I felt bad. Got him a 5-pack, but the Mustang's been driving mint. Sounds sweet. Here, let me start it up. So I have a check engine light because obviously those O2s are unplugged, but that's it. That'll be fixed very soon. That's probably gonna be the end for this video. If you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Drift event tomorrow. See you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.